Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your home credit card for 2025. If you've just received your card in the mail, you're probably eager to start using it for shopping, travel, or everyday expenses. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have your card handy. When your home credit card arrives, it usually comes with the activation code or instructions. Start by verifying the card details, like your name, card number, and expiration date, to ensure everything matches what you applied for. This is a crucial security step to protect against fraud. Next, head over to the official home credit website or download their app from your phone's app store. The app is super user-friendly and works on both iOS and Android devices. Once you're there, log in to your account using the credentials you set up during your application. If you haven't created an account yet, now's the time. It's quick and secure. Now, navigate to the Activate Card section. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, like the 16-digit number and the CVV code on the back. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might ask for additional verification, such as your date of birth or a one-time PIN sent to your registered phone number. This usually takes less than a minute. If you prefer not to use the app or website, you can activate your card via phone. Just call the number on the back of your card and follow the automated prompts or speak with a customer service rep. They'll guide you through the process and answer any questions. Once activated, set up any extra security features, like a PIN for ATM withdrawals or mobile wallet integration. This adds an extra layer of protection for your 2025 card. Finally, test it out with a small purchase to confirm everything's working smoothly. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy the perks of your home credit card, like rewards points, cashback, or exclusive offers. If you run into any issues, reach out to their support team. They're usually very helpful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.